Case study: Nike sweatshops. The major Nike sports accessory brand is based in Oregon in the United States. However, there have been extreme discussions on their factories in Asia. Nike have been exploiting their offshore workers by paying them below minimal wages, including poor work conditions. A single worker goes through 9 hours of work inside a factory with no air conditioning. These factors have earned these factories the name sweatshops. It should be noted, however, that these sweatshops are owned by companies under contract to Nike and are not employees of the company. My life is involved with fashion because of numerous reasons, such as the clothes me and my family wear, donations to Salvos and Vinnies, and the decision we all made to not buy any Nike-branded items to help abolish the sweatshops until they made a movement to fix the problem. The sweatshops are clearly a negative towards globalization and have affected my life with guilt, and I wasn't allowed to continue my lifestyle according to my mum with my chosen fashion sense that involved Nike labels. Technology has touched the fashion industry with online shopping. This characteristic has allowed virtually no limit to obtaining the diverse world of fashion. Technology has not only expanded fashion's reach, but also become a major part of the trade between countries. Now, however, the corporate giants that are abusing offshore factories, such as the Nike sweatshops, have it a lot easier. Before technology's impact, they had to first ship their products back to the United States, official Nike store, and then sell their products to buyers. However, now buyers must only go online, place an order, provide shipping details, and then the product will come straight to them from the sweatshops. This is a positive for Nike, a negative for the sweatshop, because it adds to the list of their profitability and immorality, and therefore a negative for globalization. The positive impacts of globalization on the fashion industry include the technology and trade that allows the whole world to see items of clothing from different areas of the globe, and makes it easier to wear what you want to wear, which in turn makes us happier. The negative impacts of globalization on the fashion industry include the Nike sweatshops, and the impact of globalization on this case study shows us that big companies are taking advantage of other countries' cheaper minimum wages and age limit, allowing kids 7 years and up onto their workforce. However, with the right ethic, companies could open these factories in these countries with civilized work conditions and above acceptable wages, thus benefiting these countries and effectively develop their civilization and globalize the world as originally intended.